Hey, I'm Paul with Custom Dynamics, and today we're going to be installing our new ProBEAM bullet bezel to this 2014 Ultra Classic. This is a simple upgrade that adds dimension and style to your stock turn signal housing. The ProBEAM bullet bezels are available in chrome or gloss black finishes and come with smoke, clear, amber, or red lenses. The ProBEAM bullet bezel lets you take our standard ProBEAM bullet style turn signal and add a sleek modern look to your bike. This makes the product modular, so it has many different applications. These ProBEAM bullet bezels are available separately or as a complete set. To get started, remove the existing lens and turn signal bulb from the turn signal housing. Going around the perimeter, push the stock black gasket backwards to allow an easier fit. Now lay the ProBEAM bullet bezel lens face down on a scratch-free surface and insert the ProBEAM LED turn signal into the bullet bezel lens. Gently bend the two bullet bezel lens turn signal holding tabs down. Confirm the proper orientation of the socket base and insert the ProBEAM LED turn signal base into the socket. Twist the bullet bezel lens a few rotations to coil the wire from the ProBEAM LED turn signals. Install the bullet bezel lens onto the turn signal housing with the notch facing down. You should hear the ProBEAM bullet bezel snap into place.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.